Hello and welcome to Zulu Mama's World, where we explore the heart of isiZulu culture, one tradition, one story, one symbol at a time. Today we look into something that carries pride, history, and deep meaning. Something that defines the image of a true Zulu man. Today, we are talking about Ibheshu, the traditional leather apron worn by Zulu men. Ibheshu is more than just clothing, it is a cultural identity. It is made from animal hide, usually cowhide. Ibheshu is worn around the waist and hangs down at the back, reaching below the knees. Traditionally, only men wear ibheshu. It's worn during ceremonies, weddings, traditional dances, and important cultural gatherings. When you see a man wearing ibheshu, you are not just looking at an attire, you're witnessing the symbol of manhood, dignity, and heritage. In ancient times, Ibheshu was first worn by young men who had reached maturity. When a boy was ready to become a man, his family would celebrate the stage, giving him Ibheshu to mark his growth. It was a sign that he was now ready to take on the responsibility of manhood, to protect, to lead, and to provide. The process of making ibheshu itself was very special. The hide was cleaned, softened, and treated with natural oils to keep it flexible and strong. Elders will then shape it carefully, and every cut and tie done with purpose and pride. There are different styles of ibheshu depending on the region or the occasion. For example, a plain brown ibheshu is common for everyday ceremony, and a decorated one with some patterns is often worn by grooms during weddings or warriors during dance performances. It's usually tied with a belt of cowhide or cloth, and sometimes paired with amashoba, the fluffy cowtail decorations worn on the arms and legs to enhance dance movements. Together, these items create the full Zulu male traditional attire, representing strength and pride in one's lineage. Beyond its appearance, Ibheshu tells a deeper story. It reminds us of the connection between people and cattle in Zulu culture. Cattle were and still are a symbol of wealth, blessing, and honor. So, wearing a garment made from cowhide reflects not only tradition, but also respect for what sustains the family and the community. Even today, in modern times, ibheshu is proudly worn during imemulo, imigcaco, imicimbi yamadlozi, and cultural festivals celebrating the Zulu heritage. When the drum beats and men step into the circle wearing imqhele, namabhayi, namabheshu, that sound, that sight speaks of generations unbroken. Ibheshu carries a legacy. It's not about fashion, it's about identity. So when a Zulu man wears Ibheshu, he wears history. He honors his father, his grandfather, and those who came before him. The leather against his skin whispers stories of strength, honor, and belonging. It says, I know who I am. And that is the essence of Ubuntu, being grounded in who you are while standing tall in the world. So, next time you see a man wearing Ibheshu, remember, it's not just a piece of leather. It's a story stitched in courage. It's a symbol of pride that refuses to fade. It's a living thread in the beautiful fabric of Zulu identity. Ngakho-ke, ndoda yomZulu, hamba uzigqaje ngamasiko akho. Be proud of where you come from, because our roots are power. Thank you for joining me today on Zulu Mama's World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that celebrate the beauty of being Zulu.